here we go. Look at you. Yeah, today, Taito, you come with mommy, drive around. We are waiting for Emily. Yes. Are you happy now? Are you happy? Oh no, don't be scary. Yes, good. Good girl. Uh-oh. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, good, good. It's okay. Are you scary? No. Hi. Oh, stay. Hi, Taito. Nice. Now, Tyler. Hi. Oh my God. You allowed mommy to pet you. Oh my God. It's nice. Hi. You're really nice girl. Yeah, you are so nice. Good. Good girl. Yes. Are you happy? No? No. Are you happy? Oh, are you happy? Look. Hi. Psh. Hello, Taito. Are you happy? Hi. You are Alexandra Parrot. You just only 5 months. Okay, you are 5 months baby, and you are 5 months baby too. It's a son senior. Your name is Carrot, and your name is Taito. Good. You are a girl, and you are a boy. Good. Hi. Hi, babies. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi. You happy? Are you happy? Taito, that's your first time, right? Your first time come with mommy, drive around. Yeah, going outside. Good. Uh-oh, drop on the fur.